All right, friends, you should have your class fact practice done. I want you to pause me so that you can see the answers to the problems and put a dot beside each one you have correct. If you do not have it correct, exit out and write the correct answer. That way you'll know which problems you need to work on. And it's always good to do the back side for extra practice. After you're done checking them, then turn me back on and get out your guided class practice for today. Today, you're going to write the number 30. That's 3 10s and 0 1s. Make those numbers nice and neat. We're going to go on to the story problem. It says, Marnie put 4 crayons and 2 books on her desk. 1 crayon rolled off the desk. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show the number of crayons on the desk now. I want you to find all the numbers in that problem. I see a 4, I see a 2, and I see the number 1. Oh boy, we have a problem here. They gave us too many numbers and they gave us some information that we don't need. Let's see, we're supposed to draw a picture and write a number sentence to show the number of crayons on the desk now. Well, they gave us some information that isn't necessary. It's kind of like when you have spaghetti and you strain it through to get the water out. They gave us some water that we don't need. So we want to know the crayons. The books, we're not even going to draw a picture of the books. I'm going to X that out because that is information we don't need. So we're just going to X that out and we're not even going to think about it, and we don't want to draw it in our story. So here we go. She has 4 crayons. I want you to draw the 4 crayons. And one of them rolled off the desk. So remember, we're going to X out the last one that we made to show that it went away, because this is a some and some went away story. We're going to write our number sentence. How many did we start with? We started with 4 and we crossed one out. So 1 went away. So we're going to put the minus sign, the subtraction sign. How many do we have left? Or how many did we cross out? We crossed out 1. And remember, we always need that equal sign. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. That's where we get our last number. Let's check and see if we have the same numbers as that were in the story. Here's a 4, here's a 4, here's a 1, here's a 1. I know I need to put the subtraction sign because I X'd 1 out, and that means I have 3 left. My number sentence has 3 numbers and 2 signs, and it says, how many crayons are on the desk now? My answer is 3. I want you next to draw 3 different ways to show 10 apple seeds. You pause me and go ahead and do that. And then when you come back, I'll show you the different ways that you could have had your seeds in your apple. So you go ahead and pause me, draw it, and then turn me back on. All right, friends, these are the different ways you could have made your apple seeds. You could have had any of these. If you notice, these 2 are opposite. They're flip-flop problems. I just flopped the sides of the apple. You make sure that your 3 ways is one of these that I have. If it's not, then you did not do it correctly and you need to redo it and make sure that you understand. Ask your homework helper if you didn't get it right. All right, the next one says to circle the one that is different. Check these out and find the one that is different. I hope you circled the first one because that one has the X on the opposite side of those. Here we go with our doubles facts. 1 plus 1 equals, you're right, 2. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Here are our new ones from this week. 7 plus 7 equals 14. And 9 plus 9 equals, that's right, 18. All right, check your paper and make sure you have it correct and put it back in your green folder for your teacher. Have an awesome day.